Welcome back to Auto and Adventure, where we bring you the best in automotive reviews and thrilling journeys. Today we have something truly special, a luxury experience on wheels. We're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Van continues to set the benchmark for commercial and adventure vans, blending practicality with advanced technology and a refined driving experience. Mercedes-Benz has taken an already reliable platform and improved it with upgraded powertrains, enhanced driver assistance features, and a more modern interior. Whether you're using it for business, as a camper, van conversion, or for heavy-duty hauling, the new Sprinter proves to be one of the most versatile vans on the market. Under the hood, the 2026 Sprinter offers a range of engine options, including a fuel-efficient diesel, a powerful V6, and a fully electric variant designed for urban logistics. The electric model, in particular, boasts a significantly improved range compared to its predecessor, making it a compelling option for businesses looking to reduce emissions. The refined suspension system ensures a smoother ride, even when carrying heavy loads, while the available all-wheel drive provides excellent traction on rough terrain. The improved transmission contributes to better fuel efficiency and a more responsive driving experience. Stepping inside, the cabin has received notable upgrades with premium materials and an intuitive infotainment system. A larger touchscreen display now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless smartphone integration. The driver's seat is designed for long-haul comfort with ergonomic adjustments, while the passenger area can be customized with various seating configurations. Cargo space remains impressive, with multiple roof heights and wheelbase options catering to different needs. Additional storage solutions and smart compartments make organizing equipment and supplies easier than ever. Safety has been a key focus for the 2026 Sprinter, featuring advanced driver assist systems that elevate confidence behind the wheel. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. A new 360-degree camera system makes maneuvering in tight spaces effortless, while blind spot monitoring enhances overall awareness. For those who use the Sprinter for deliveries or off-grid adventures, these safety enhancements provide extra peace of mind. On the road, the 2026 Sprinter delivers a refined and quiet driving experience. The electric variant, in particular, operates nearly silently, making it ideal for city driving and night deliveries. The improved aerodynamics contribute to better highway efficiency, and the responsive steering ensures precise handling, even in urban settings. With customizable suspension options, buyers can fine-tune the ride quality to match their specific needs, whether for heavy-duty transport or comfortable long-distance travel. Mercedes-Benz continues to push the limits of what a commercial van can be, making the 2026 Sprinter one of the most compelling choices in its segment. With its combination of powertrain versatility, cutting-edge technology, and premium comfort, it remains a top contender for businesses and van life enthusiasts alike. Whether you need a reliable workhorse or a high-tech travel companion, the new Sprinter is designed to meet the challenge.